Welcome back to Car Culture State, where we bring you the best of wheels, roads, and all things automotive. Today, we're stepping away from private rides and diving into something a little different, but equally important in the world of transportation, the all-new 2025 Ashok Leyland City Bus. This is the machine that keeps our cities moving, and it's undergone some exciting changes this year. The 2025 version of Ashok Leyland's iconic city bus is more than just a facelift. It's a complete rethink of what public transport should be: sleek, modern, efficient, and more environmentally conscious than ever before. Ashok Leyland has stepped up to the challenge of making daily commuting a little more bearable and a lot more comfortable. Let's talk design first. The new front fascia is cleaner, with sharper edges and a more aerodynamic profile. The large front windshield gives drivers a panoramic view of the road, which is especially useful in chaotic urban traffic. Headlamps are now LED units, not just for better visibility but also to add a touch of sophistication. The LED daytime running lights give it a modern look, something you'd more likely expect on a high-end SUV than a city bus. It's a statement that public transport doesn't have to look boring. Move to the side and you'll notice the bus sits lower than previous versions. That's due to a low-floor design, which isn't just for style, it's a big step forward in accessibility. Elderly passengers, children, and those with mobility challenges can now board and exit with ease. The automatic doors open wide, and there's a ramp mechanism as well, making this bus truly inclusive. Inside, the transformation continues. Step into the cabin, and it feels bright and airy. That's partly thanks to the large side windows and partly due to the clever use of interior lighting. Seats are ergonomic, with ample legroom even for standing passengers. There are handrails in all the right places, non-slip flooring, and strategically placed grab handles. Passenger comfort clearly hasn't been overlooked. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the introduction of digital displays. These show route information, upcoming stops, and announcements in multiple languages. There's also a built-in speaker system with automatic announcements synced with GPS. In some models, there are even USB charging ports near the seats. A small touch, but one that makes a big difference when you're stuck in traffic and your phone is dying. Now, under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, is where the real story unfolds. The 2025 Ashok Leyland City Bus is available in both diesel and electric variants. Let's start with the electric one, because that's where the future is headed. The EV version features a high-capacity battery pack and a motor that delivers silent yet powerful performance. It has a range of about 200 kilometers on a single charge, depending on traffic and load. Not bad for a vehicle that stops frequently and operates all day. Charging infrastructure is also being supported. Fast charging capability means the bus can be charged up to 80% in under 2 hours. For cities looking to reduce their carbon footprint, this bus makes perfect sense. It's not just about reducing pollution, but also cutting down operational costs in the long run. For areas where electric isn't quite feasible yet, the diesel variant is still very much in the game. But it's not the same old clunky engine. It meets BSV emission norms, is more fuel efficient, and runs quieter than its predecessors. Ashok Leyland has also worked on reducing vibrations and noise inside the cabin, so even diesel passengers get a more refined experience. Driver comfort has received a serious upgrade too. The driver's cabin is separated, which reduces distraction and helps maintain focus. The seat is fully adjustable, and the instrument cluster is now fully digital. Controls are more intuitive, and there's even a rear-view camera feed on a display screen. Mirrors are electronically adjustable, and the visibility is significantly improved from all angles. Safety features have also been amped up. There's ABS as standard, emergency braking assist, and a fire suppression system in the engine bay. In case of emergency, there's an easily accessible panic button that can alert authorities. Every little detail seems thought through. Another thing worth mentioning is the telematics integration. Fleet operators can now monitor vehicle health, fuel usage, driving patterns, and more in real time. This is a game changer for efficiency and cost control. On the road, the bus handles like a dream for its size. Suspension is tuned for urban use, and it glides over potholes and speed bumps without tossing passengers around. Acceleration is smooth, especially in the electric variant, and braking feels controlled and secure. Noise levels are low, and the overall ride quality is surprisingly pleasant. To sum it up, the 2025 Ashok Leyland City Bus is not just a vehicle. It's a statement of progress. It proves that public transport can be modern, clean, safe, and even enjoyable. Whether it's the futuristic EV model or the refined diesel variant, this bus is built to meet the demands of today's smart cities. That's all for this review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Ashok Leyland City Bus, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment if you've seen this bus in action or have any thoughts, and subscribe to CarCulturestate for more automotive content from every corner of the industry. See you in the next one.